This is a refurbished Dell Inspiron 1520-PP22L with a length of 15.4 inches and a weight of around 3 kilograms. This laptop was released during the early 2008s. It might sound very old, but this laptop has certainly lived up to my high expectations. The base model holds around 1GB of DDR2 667 MHz of RAM. However, I bought another stick of 1GB DDR2 RAM and added it into the laptop to increase the speed. Previously installed with Windows Vista, I booted on a USB stick into the laptop and installed Windows 7 Premium in it. Overall, the Dell Inspiron 1520 has a fairly solid look. The first time I looked at it, I immediately view it as a business look designed laptop targeted on students or businessmen. It may look quite clunky, but it has a lot of features. It has 4 USB slots, 2 at the right side of the laptop and 2 at the back of it. It contains a CD drive too, making it a suitable device for a movie marathon. It also has an Ethernet cable slot, which is not common in laptops nowadays. What surprised me is the micro SD card adapter slot and the Wi-Fi on-off button of the laptop, as features like this are no longer seen in common days laptop. As the white keyboard doesn't look appealing to me, I decided to switch it out and replace it with a sleek black colored keyboard. I gave it a try on a new keyboard and of course, it gives me a better feeling when completing assignments or playing games. As I inserted a new battery that I bought from Lazada, the battery now lasts 3 hours after a full charge. This 32-bit laptop is powered by a Core 2-door processor clocked at 1.5 GHz with 2GB of DDR2 memory installed. It has an integrated NVIDIA 8400M GS graphics card in the laptop with 128MB of memory in it. Furthermore, it also has an integrated web camera installed. I try to test the laptop's performance by putting its speed to the test by seeing how long does it take to launch Microsoft Office 2010. Surprisingly, it didn't take long as I expected. The laptop webcam works fine with a 480p resolution. However, the camera was quite slow as it was a bit late in catching my movements. To put the laptop into another speed test, I decided to test how fast would the laptop load the browser. Surprisingly, it wasn't too bad. Using this laptop for YouTube or internet surfing works really well. The speakers are also really good for its age. I was expected to see some lag spikes while watching YouTube gameplays, but surprisingly, it ran quite smoothly. Next, I tried playing some games in the laptop. I tried benchmarking BioShock 1, an old game with an extensively stunning graphics. I set the graphic details to the lowest and set it to its native resolution. Playing in less graphically intensive places would provide a smooth gameplay with around 30 to 50 frames per second. Running Mafia 1 wasn't really that bad either. During cutscenes, its frame rate would fluctuate, but during in-game gameplay, it would have a decent frame rate with around 30 frames per second. Running Counter-Strike 1.6 with the native resolution and the highest graphic settings would give a stable frame rate of 60 frames per second. After reviewing the speed of the laptop combined with playing games, surfing the internet and more, I decided to give a laptop a 7 out of 10 rating from a hardcore gamer viewpoint. To summarize the whole thing, this laptop is really suitable for students and office work. However, it is a bit heavy and lacks in modern day gaming capabilities. If you guys enjoyed the video, subscribe and drop a like. And stay tuned for the next video. Stay safe.